Tesla has been leading the EV game and setting market standards. Legacy car makers such as Porsche and Audi have tried their best to match up, but seem to remain behind. Lucid Motors is a new name in car manufacturing and is already being deemed as the biggest competition to Tesla. Opinions are very mixed. Some support Lucid strongly. Others just say that they're a copycat. In today's video, we're looking into that, and we'll compare Lucid with Tesla. As we dive deep into the topic, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Leaving your thoughts in the comments will help us in making the videos according to your liking. The CEO of Lucid Motors, Peter Rawlinson, had been formerly working under Elon Musk at Tesla. This has led many to believe that Lucid is just walking in Tesla's footsteps. Even though there are many similarities between the two companies, there are several things that set both of them apart. Lucid has a differentiated approach towards several things connected to the way it will make and sell its cars. Firstly, we'll talk about the things that make Lucid different from Tesla, and then we're going to talk about what the company is doing similarly to Tesla. One thing that Lucid is doing differently right from the start is the building of a brand new car manufacturing plant. Lucid Motors is making a plant named Greenfield in Arizona. It's going to be worth billions of dollars. Tesla, on the other hand, decided to acquire the NUMMI factory in California to begin its vehicle assemblies. This plant was once owned by General Motors and Toyota. Goal setting. The future production goals of Tesla and Lucid are both quite different. This is mostly due to the age of the companies and the experience held by them. The production goal for the year 2030 is set at 500,000 units by Lucid. The same goal has been achieved by Tesla in the year 2020, as it made 509,737 cars and delivered a little below 500,000. Elon Musk is well known for making very optimistic goals and then missing the deadlines made by himself. He has set the goal for Tesla to make 20 million electric vehicles before the time 2030 comes. This does seem like a very ambitious goal for Tesla at the moment. Lucid plans to make other models in the future, but it is currently entering the market with the Lucid Air. These will also include an SUV that is expected to be produced in the year 2023. Currently, Lucid has set the price for Lucid Air's high-end variant at $169,000. It's called the Lucid Dream. Another variant of the Lucid Air will be launched by 2022 and will be set at the $77,400 price point. The prices of the Lucid Air and Tesla models cannot be compared currently. Tesla has set the price for the high-end Model S Plaid Plus variant at $139,990 and the base model at $79,990. This does not include the $10,000 premium software price. Another difference is the federal tax credit. Lucid customers will be eligible for a $7,500 federal tax credit, as these will be the very first EVs sold by the company. On the other hand, Tesla customers will not be eligible for this, as the company has already sold more cars than the limit had been given. However, there are different tax credits available in different states as well. The CEO of Lucid has stated that the company will make a vehicle in the range of $40,000 to $45,000. This will be the next vehicle made by the company and will compete against the other Tesla models. Tesla is currently working on making an EV for $25,000. This is something that Lucid plans on doing in the future, but will take almost 8 years in doing so. Battery and charging. There is a difference in the battery efficiency and range of the cars as well. The range given by Tesla models is said to be less than the range offered by the Lucid Air. Peter Rawlinson is measuring the efficiency with the help of miles per kilowatt-hour driven. According to that, the Lucid Air gives an average of 4.5 miles per kilowatt-hour. It is more as compared to the 4 miles per kilowatt-hour given by the Tesla Model S long range. This is a major differentiating point in Tesla and Lucid is the EV charging. Tesla has an ever-expanding network of over 20,000 superchargers around the globe. Lucid is not doing the same thing. It has planned not to make and operate its charging stations. Lucid does not want to have a capital burden and has decided to go light on assets. This will lead to a lot of money saving for the company. Lucid is working with Electrify America as its partner. Electrify America is a company owned by Volkswagen that is expected to have 800 charging stations by the end of 2021. This will translate into over 3,500 chargers. However, Lucid will also give the customers the option to charge their vehicles at home as well. Self-driving systems. Both Lucid and Tesla have autonomous driving systems. However, there is a huge difference in the working of the two. Tesla considers LiDAR technology as something completely unnecessary. Instead of that, the company is making its visual sensory information processing much better each day. These include cameras and radars. On the other hand, Lucid believes that LiDAR is an important part of the sensor suite for autonomous driving to be possible. LiDAR technology works by making a 3D map of all the surroundings by using pulsed lasers. Market positioning. The marketing and advertising techniques of the two companies are way different than each other. Tesla has opted for modern, unconventional approaches. The company has relied on social media engagements, flashy events, owner clubs, and online forums to create hype for the company. Elon Musk also regularly interacts with the shareholders and fans. This has led to a following of over 50 million people for Elon Musk on Twitter. On the other hand, Lucid has worked its way using a national television campaign. It ran from December 25th up to the end of January. The purpose behind this was to generate awareness about the company and the vehicles. Lucid also planned to host several events, but these were canceled due to the pandemic situation. Lucid and Tesla have both opted for a direct selling method that does not involve any dealerships. Numbers. When it comes to their products, the companies do something else. Tesla currently has 5 models on the market, while Lucid is about to release their first. Lucid may have speculated about more models, but as for now, the Air will be the only available model. In the first quarter of 2021, Tesla sold a little under 200,000 cars. Lucid's sales expectation is 20,000 cars per year, which is very similar to the 22,000 cars Tesla sold in their first year. Similarities. Now let us take a look at what the two companies are doing similarly. Lucid Motors has decided to manufacture its vehicle on its own. This is something being done similar to Tesla. Some new EV makers have decided to let third-party companies do the manufacturing for them, but this is not the case for Lucid. The up-and-coming EV brand believes that it will have to vertically integrate manufacturing if it plans to succeed. Peter Rawlinson himself has quoted that manufacturing is not something that can be trusted by third-party companies as it defines the build quality of the vehicles. There can be no compromises made on the quality of the cars. Lucid will take this precious aspect into its own hands rather than in somebody else's. These remarks have had a great impact on the investors of the company as well. Both Tesla and Lucid do not produce the battery cells for their EVs at the moment. Battery packs are the most crucial part of an EV and are also the most costly. Tesla gets its battery supply from Samsung, Panasonic, LG, and CATL. These are used for both the EVs and other projects, such as the Powerwall. All this is being done with undisclosed prices and terms from the companies. Lucid has made a deal with LG Chem as a partner for supplying battery cells. More suppliers are also planned to get on board in the future. Like Tesla, Lucid also plans to make home and utility-scale energy storage products, but it will be done after some time. However, the company does not have any plans to take up the solar business as Tesla did in 2016 by taking over Solar City. Conclusion. It remains difficult to compare the two as Tesla is a much more established and major car manufacturer than Lucid. Tesla was founded in 2003 and delivered the first Roadster in 2008. A year later, the Model S was introduced. Lucid was founded in 2007 and revealed their first car late in 2016 and has yet to make the first delivery. Judging by the specs, Lucid is doing a lot of things differently from Tesla. It might just be a mistake to consider it a copy of Tesla. The autonomous driving technology of the company is based on LiDAR. The prices are quite higher than Tesla's, while there are fewer options available. Lucid is doing marketing of its vehicles in a very traditional way compared to Tesla. On the other hand, there are some similarities between the two, like battery partnership and owning their own production plants. If the Lucid Air lives up to all its promised specs, it will surely outperform the Tesla Model S. But only time can confirm that. What are your thoughts? Is the comparison fair? Will Lucid be better than Tesla? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next one.